Namaste, Balaji. My question is that in our daily life, like working life, we go through different stress, like different pressures, and our energy level also varies. Stress, yeah. Sometimes like our emotions like varies. We become angry. Sometimes we like become low. So energy levels keep on varying. So how do we keep on our energy level at the optimum level so that we perform to the best level?
I understood that the number of people, I think the root cause of the stress is thinking into the future or thinking about the past. The moment you come to the present tense, right now, here and now, what is happening? If you start peeping into the future, there's already see our thoughts. One person gets one day lakhs of thoughts. Out of the lakhs of thoughts of your interest, the thoughts are less. So just irrelevant thoughts come to your mind, it's of no use. But if you just filter your thoughts, you will find that why I was thinking about it. So for example, I'm sitting here and I'm thinking about my son. When I left Mumbai, he was sick. What must have happened? So I'm not here 100%. So whatever is happening, yes, I'm sure that he is comfortable. Right now I'm here, I should give my 100%. This is again a part of my speech in 2004, what I was telling. In India Calling I was called, and the question is very same what I have been asked there. There were 600 delegates all over the world, all the business people, and the subject was the spirituality in the business, along with Sri Ravi Shankarji was there, I think Amma was there, Brahma Kumari was there. So they gave us a lot of 4-hour speech. There I mentioned the same. Everybody is spiritual according to me, whether you believe in the God or you don't believe in the God. So giving a quality time, whether if you are taking a walk and you are saying, I every day take a walk with the help of mobile, I am talking, and what is telling the secretary, my schedule of this today's date, this day, that day, evening, afternoon, I am taking a walk, you will increase your blood pressure. Isn't it? Am I right, sir, doctor? If you are taking a walk and again thinking again about that aspect, this aspect, that aspect, so you are not. When I was in Chennai and I was with one great director with whom I was used to stay, same problem, lot of stress, diabetes, blood pressure, and he told me that, Dada, you are in my house, there's a lot of beautiful beach, we will go to walk. So I said, I have a niyam, my own rules. If I am taking a walk, I will not talk to you. So please allow me. So we took the walk, we came back. During the breakfast, I told him that you are really fortunate. How many colored sand you have here? I said, colored sand? There is another one colored sand. I said, no, there were 2-3 different colored sands. The golden color, the white color. There. He said, hey, oh, near that statue, what statue was there? Now in the Tamil, what was written, so I couldn't read that. Statue in the sand? He said, you don't see this. I don't see all the day. I take the walk, I do it, all my work, I finish all my work, I'm ready to go to office. I said, that is the reason why you are having it. That is the reason you have that diabetes. You see, when you are there, you see, you feel. To be there. I have only one solution for you. The moment you feel you are stressed, disconnect whatever software, hardware, whatever you are doing it. Just sit quietly, close your eyes, take deep breath. Meditation is nothing but like a telephone operating system. You know, old time telephone operating system, there used to be a board. There used to be different sockets. Which socket your thought is there, that part will continue. You feel your stress, just unplug it and put it into the Sugam Sangeet, put it into the rock music, it's fine. Hear that. Again remove it and put it back into what thought you are. You'll find your stress is gone. In fact, you will give more justice to your problems. This is meditation. What we do, if you are stressed, you disconnect yourself, we give a purposely a thought, be with that, again. So you knew about the system, get affirmations. Now this thought is not with me. Isn't it, my dear? Yesterday we did it, you will say, and you like it. Yes, I like it. Thank you very much.